Hi, I'm Jeff with Precision Replacement Parts. Today I have a tech tip for you on Weatherstrip installation. Now, the correct way to do it is to make sure that your flaps on your Weatherstrip are all tucked into your body. We see a lot of people at shows and have struggled with this being outside the body. It needs to be tucked in. Today we're working on 67 and 72 GM truck, and there isn't really a flap along the A-pillar that needs to be tucked in on these. Unlike 73 to 87 GM trucks, do have a flap that needs to be tucked in. Now, if you already have yours in and you find out that the flap is outside the body, what you can do is take a Weatherstrip installation tool and actually gently work it back in. Careful not to rip it. And what you can also do is open the vent window, and that'll give you a little more play to actually get this in a little bit easier. And gently work it back and forth. Once it's all in, then that's the proper way you should look.